Welcome to BYJU'S Exam Prep. I am Saral Nashier with you once again with this new session today, that is 100 most expected questions from LR section in the TISSNET exam. Okay, so you would have seen me before this as well. Previously, we have talked about the 100 most expected questions in QA. In the part 1, part 2, and part 3. Today, I'm talking about the logical reasoning questions, right? We'll be discussing that soon. Let us just wait for the other people also to join in. After that, we shall start with our class. Hi, good afternoon, Pranjal, and please confirm it once. Am I clearly audible and visible to you? Hello, Shilpa. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone else. Can you all just confirm it once to me? Is everything okay? I'm audible, I'm visible, सब कुछ ठीक ठाक है तो हम लोग आगे बढ़ जाएंगे आज. So, when I talk about TISSNET exam, you of course you would be knowing about this, that TISSNET is a fairly easy exam with respect to the other exams like CAT or ZET or IFT, right? It's a simple paper, right? You just have just 20 questions from quantitative aptitude, then logical reasoning, the other areas as well. And these are easily manageable. I mean, you do not find very difficult questions in TISSNET. It is easy to crack the initial the paper, the written test. It's difficult this about the second stage, right? So that is difficult in case of टेस्टनेट that you'll find. वो निकालना थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो जाता है, ये तो आराम से हो जाता है हमारे पास. Good afternoon, study point. Good afternoon, innocent. Hi, sir. MBA CET admission when will start? Are you talking about Maharashtra CET, Girish? Good afternoon, Sahil. Very good afternoon. ठीक है जी, मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग शुरुआत कर सकते हैं आज के सेशन की अब. So the process would be the same. I'll be showing you a question. पहले आप लोग try करेंगे. After that, we'll be trying it together. So here is the first set for all of you on your screen now. You see a pie chart, you see a table, you see some data as well. Please study the data and then we will move ahead. एक बार सब लोग पढ़ लीजिए. Whatever you can do about it. So please read it. ओ गिरीश, अभी तो इवन द एग्जाम हैज नॉट हैपन और अभी तो उसका नोटिफिकेशन भी नहीं आया. पहले एग्जाम होगा, उसके बाद जाके ही रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट होगा. आई थिंक इट विल नॉट स्टार्ट समवेयर बिफोर जून और जुलाई. गुड आफ्टरनून, सोनल मिश्रा. So all of you see the question on the screen. Try it first, then we'll start discussing it. I think I'm coming in the way of this pie chart, so I'll do something about it. So let me just take it a little above so that you can all see this clearly, right? I hope it is clearly visible to you now. Please read this information. After that, we will talk about it. Hello, Akash Agrawal. Pranjul says done. That's great. Chaliye, let's have a look at this. Study the following pie chart and table carefully to answer the questions that follow. It says the pie chart given below, that is this pie chart, shows the percentage breakup of employees working in various departments of XYZ organization, while the table shows the number of males in these departments. The total number of employees is given as 800. So what is this telling you? It is telling you the number of employees in these departments. So we have total 800 employees. 16% of them are in accounts department. So 16% of 800 is 128. So 128 employees are in accounts department. Out of these 128 employees, we see 86 are males. If 86 are males, I can just subtract and get 42 as the number of females there, right? अगर males 86 हैं तो 128 minus 86 is the number of females. Similarly, in production department, we have 35% of 800, which is 280 number of employees. In 280 में से I see 145 are males. So the remaining 135 are females. Similarly, I can calculate it for HR department, I can calculate it for IT department, I can calculate for marketing department. I will get to know how many males are there in each department, how many females are there. Now, whatever questions he is going to ask me, of course, those questions would be based upon these only. यही तो पूछेगा that how many males are there or how many females are there, or in this department the females are how much percentage more than these kind of questions they are going to ask you. And let me tell you, TISSNET would be asking you questions of this level only. If you find it easy, actually they find you easy questions itself. Okay, so let's make a table here. I have put up all this data on this page. Number of males in account department is given as 86, production is 145, HR is 12, IT is 80, and marketing is 76. The total number of employees here in accounts department is 16% of 800. This is 35% of 800. This is 5% of 800, 20% of 800, 24% of 800. If I subtract these figures of males, I'll get the females. 128 minus 86 is 42 number of females. 280 minus 145, 135 is the number of females. 40 minus 12, that is 28. 160 minus 80, that is 80. And 192 minus 76 is 116. This way, we get to know the number of females in each of the departments. The number of males is already given to me. The total number of people is already given to me. By putting them here, I can easily calculate the number of females as well. I hope this is clearly understood to all. एक बार मुझे फटाफट बता दीजिए in the chat box. Is it okay? I mean, though that's very easy to understand, but still I want to know it from you. ये आराम से समझ में आता है ना कि हाँ ठीक बात है ये, that this is all okay, right everyone? I hope it is absolutely clear to all of you. After that, I'll move ahead from this. यहाँ से फिर आगे बढ़ जाएंगे हम लोग and we'll start doing questions which are based upon this. क्योंकि जो भी questions होंगे वो इसी table पे based तो होंगे, because this is the only data which is given to us. So whatever questions he is going to ask us, they'll be based upon this data only. Okay. So yes, Pranjul, Shilpa, Neeru, and Sonal, they all are saying yes, it is understood. I think we can move on to the questions. So what is the answer to this first question according to you? Please, all of you answer. After that, I'll also answer. एक बार बताइए आपके हिसाब से क्या आंसर आता है? What is the answer? Akash, Kumar, Nil, and Ishan are also saying yes, it's clear. So I'm sure you can answer this real fast. Girish also says yes, that's great. Pranjul got the answer as C. Okay. Ishan has got the answer as C. Kumaranil has got B. Sonal Mishra has got C. Reena has got C. चलिए करते हैं. Looks like C is the correct answer. Yes, C is the correct answer. What does it say? What is the respective ratio between the number of females working in HR, which is equal to 28, and the total number of employees in that department, which is 12 plus 28 is 40. So we have to find out the ratio of 28 is to 40. 4 sevens are 28, 4 tens are 40. My answer is 7 is to 10. That's pretty easy. C option is the correct answer, and I see almost everyone has given the right answer, except Kumaranil. But I'm sure Kumaranil also got what is his mistake. That was question number 1. I'll move on to question number 2. Here is question number 2 for all of you. Let me see who answers this fastest. What is the answer to the second question? The number of males working in the production department of the organization forms what percentage of the total number of employees working in that department? Pranjul has got the answer as A. The first one to answer is Pranjul. Very good. Yashasvi has got A. Okay. Ishan has got A. Reena Ranjan has got A. Sonal Mishra has got A. Akash Agrawal says A. So looks like everyone has given the right answer. If A is right, yes, A is correct answer. The number of males working in the production department, which is 145, is forms what percentage of the total number of employees? The total number of employees are 280. Question is what percentage of 280 is 145? I would say 50% of 280 is 140. 1% of 280 is 2.8. 2% of 180 is, I mean, another 2.8, you can say. So if I calculate 52% of the number, it is 140 plus 2.8 plus 2.8, that makes it 145.6. My answer has to be slightly less than 52%. Therefore, answer has to be option A, which is 51.8%. That's the correct answer. And I see that everyone has given the right answer for this question. First correct answer was given by Pranjul, then Yashashvi, and then Isha. Very good, guys. I'll move ahead from here. Question number 3 is here on your screen. Now let's see who answers this first. So this time again, I see Pranjul has given the first answer, then Ishan, Sonal Mishra, Shilpa, Reena Ranjan. Very good, guys. And once again, everyone is saying A. Looks like A again is the correct answer. Yes. The number of females working in the IT department, which is equal to this number here, that is 80, forms what percentage of the total number of employees? वो तो पहले से ही 800 दे रखा है हम लोगों को. So 80 is what percentage of 800? It is 10%. It's a very simple question. I'm sure no one would have a doubt. ठीक है? Question number 4 की तरफ आते हैं. Yes, what is the answer for this? The number of males working in the marketing department is what percentage of the total number of employees working in that department? Reena Ranjan has given the first answer this time. She says B. Rakesh says A. Pranjul has got C. So we've got three answers till now. Yashasvi has got C. We have got B, A, C, and C as the first four answers. I think we can start discussing it now. Sonal also says C. चलिए देखते हैं क्या correct answer है. The correct answer is B, 40%. How? The number of males working in the marketing department, which is equal to 76, is what percentage of the total number of employees working in that department, which is 192. Question is 76 is what percentage of 192? I am saying if 76 is as a percentage of 190 is calculated, it is exact 40%. 190 का एग्जैक्ट 40% है, 190 का 10% is 19 and 40% is 76. 190 and 192 are there almost the same. My answer would be very close to 40. It will be something like 39.9% or something. और उसने पहले लिख दिया rounded off to the nearest integer. So rounded off to the nearest integer has to be option B only, which is 40%. I see many of you have given the answer as 38%, लेकिन उसमें आप कुछ तो मिस्टेक कर गए, मुझे नहीं पता क्या. But 190 and 192 they are so close to each other. उससे मतलब आपकी परसेंटेज पे 0.1 0.2% का फर्क पड़ सकता है, nothing more than that. Because 192 का 40% निकालेंगे अगर, 40% of this is 76.8. 76.8 is so close to 76, isn't it? So 76 would be what percentage less? हो सकता है मान ले 39.6% के आसपास आ जाएगा. Only that much of change can be there. लेकिन 39 भी तो ऑप्शंस में नहीं है ना. The next best option that I have is 38, 2% less. और 2% तो बहुत हो जाता है. Because 2% of 192 is equal to 3.84. अब आप 76.8 में से 3.84 माइनस कर दोगे, that will go very much less than 192, right? So we just want 76 from 76.8. बहुत नजदीक पड़ता है उसके. So I think this is the correct answer. I am saying just take an approximation of 190 in place of 192. गिरीश, उससे काम आसान हो जाएगा. 190 का exact 40% is 76, but in case of 192, because 190 and 192 are so close, my answer would also be very close to 40, and closest to 40 is 40 only, क्योंकि 38 तो बहुत दूर हो जाएगा ना उससे. So 40 itself is the correct answer. That was question number 4. I'll move ahead to question number 5 on this data set. Let's see who answers this first. Here is question number 5. Pranjul has got the answer as D. Okay. Reena Ranjan has got D. Ankita Pandey has got D. Sonal Mishra has got D. Shubham has got C. Neeru has got D. Sahil has got D. Looks like D is the right answer then. Yes. The ratio of the number of males working in marketing department, which is equal to 76, to the number of females working in the department, which is 116. 4 से cancel out हो रहा है ये 19 पे, 4 से cancel out हो रहा है 29 पे. So my answer has to be 19 is to 29. Yes, everyone has given the right answer for this question. These were the 5 questions based upon this data set. The first one. Okay. After this, all the questions that we have, they are all singlets, right? Single questions हैं, all are based upon reasoning. I would just see simple questions ही आते हैं, simple questions ही करेंगे, देखते हैं कौन पहले आंसर करता है, बस इतना ध्यान देना है. So here is the first question, the singlet one is question number 6. What is the answer? जल्दी बताइए जरा एक बार. Question number 6, what is the answer? Answer for this question number 6. हाँ अंकिता, these questions are taken from actual papers of TISS actually. Some of them are. Pranjul got the answer as B. Very fast, Pranjul. Very good. Shilpa has got B. Yashasvi has got B. Ishan has got B. Shivangi has got B. That's very fast, guys. Sonal has got B. चलिए देखते हैं. So A means multiplication, B means plus, C means this, D means this. Find the value of 5A, 20, B means plus na, हाँ जी. 10, C means division, 2 and D means minus 3. So BODMAS rule लगाना है सीधा सीधा. BODMAS means first of all bracket, there is no bracket. Off, there is no off. Division. So first step is division. 10 by 2 is 5. So ultimately it will become 5 into 20 plus 5 minus 3. After that multiplication, that is 5 into 20, it is 100. So 100 plus 5 minus 3 is 102. B option is the right answer for this question. Yes, everyone has given the right answer. Meera, Girish, Ankita, Ketaki as well. सभी का आंसर सही आया था. That was question number 6. I'll move ahead. Question number 7. Pranjul has got D. Yashasvi has got D. Pranjal is answering real fast. Yashasvi as well. Shilpa, Ishan, Shivangi, Sonal, Meera, Girish, Ankita, Ketki. We got D. Shilpa has got B. Reena has got D. Meera has got D. Ishan has got D. चलिए करते हैं. At what angle the hands of a clock are inclined at 30 minutes past 7? There is a direct rule for that. 30h minus 5.5 m. Modulus of this is the answer. H is the R. So 30 into 7 minus 5.5 m. M is the minutes, that is 30. इसका modulus. So 210 minus 165. इसका mod निकालोगे आप तो 45 डिग्री आएगा. So 45 degree is the correct answer. That is option D. At what angles the angle the hands of a clock are inclined at 30 minutes past 7? The answer for this question is option D, 45 degrees. I'm sure there is no doubt about this. I'll move ahead to question number 8, which is here on your screen now. Yashasvi has got C. The first one to answer this time is Yashasvi. Very good. Pranjul also got C. Very good, Pranjul. Reena also got C. Ishan got C. Very good, guys. Sonal got C. Meera has got C. That's great. Simple logic. When I talk about 4 and 5, they differ by 1. After that, we have 9, they differ by 4. After that, we have 18, they differ by 9. After that, we have 34, they differ by 16. So they all are perfect squares 1, 4, 9, 16. The next one should not be 60, right? It is given as 60, but actually it should be 34 plus 25. It should have been 61 rather than 60. So therefore, this is the wrong number in this series. My answer is option C for question number 8. So anyways, later on as well, Innocent, Girish, Akash सभी ने सही आंसर दिया इस क्वेश्चन का. Very good guys. That was question number 8. I'll move ahead from here. Question number 9 की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. ये रहा question number 9. Let's see who is the first one to answer this question this time. Shilpa says CLG. Okay. Ishan says C. Girish says C. Sonal says C. This time first one is to answer is Ishan, then Girish, then Sonal, then Reena, Meera, Rakesh. सभी लोग C कह रहे हैं. That is 68. Yes, that's the right answer. Because when I talk about 6 and 39, of course, it is 6 into 6 plus 3. So with 8 also it should be something like that. That is 8 into 8 plus 3. Now either it should be 3 or 3 can also be written as half of 6. So possibly I can also have half of 8. So 8 into 8 64 plus 4 68. So 67 or 68 में से कोई भी आंसर हो सकता था. 67 was not given in the options. So 68 should be the right answer. Answer should be option C for this question. Right? That was question number 9. Once again, I see all these questions are real easy. You can do them real fast as well. I'll move ahead to question number 10. Here is question number 10 on your screen now. Pranjul has got B, okay. Zetitude has got B. Shilpa has got B. Rishi has got B. The first one to answer B was Pranjul. Innocent has got B. Reena, Yashasvi, very good guys. चलिए देखते हैं. Which letter cluster will replace the question mark? So I have I, P, U, then L, R, V, then O, T, W, then R, V, and X. So I के बाद J और K छोड़ के we have L. L के बाद M और N छोड़ के we have O. After O, leaving P and Q, we have R. So after R, leaving S and T, we should be having U as the first letter. The first letter as U is only there in option B. Straight away, we get the answer real fast, isn't it? From the very first letter, we get the answer to this question because fortunately, there was only one option that was starting with U. So therefore, option B, UXY becomes the right answer for the question. Okay. That was question number 10. I'll move ahead now to question number 11. Question number 11 on your screen is here now. Which two signs should be interchanged in the following equation to make it correct? Pranjul got the answer again as first answer as C. Zetitude has got C. Sonal Mishra has got C. Reena got C. Innocent got C. Ishan has got C. Girish got C. चलिए करते हैं. Which two signs should be interchanged in the following equation to make it correct? We can go by the options. Let's say the first option. In that case, division and minus, they are interchanged, right? If I am going by this, I would probably not even look at it because 20 by 18 is giving me a fraction. My answer has to be an integer. So there are very less chances that I'll have the same because there is no other fraction over there. Similarly, in option B, plus and this. So 20 minus 18 plus 3 divided by 7 once again. Because of that, we again get a fraction here. Let's leave it plus or minus. देखते हैं. So it will become 24. I'm sorry, not 20, 24. 24 plus 18, right? Divided by 3 minus 7 into 2. Now there is a possibility here because still, according to Bodmer's, when we first divide, it becomes 6. We have 24 plus 6, which is equal to 30, minus 7 into 2, which is equal to 14. So 30 minus 14 is equal to 16, does satisfy all the conditions. Therefore, my answer is option C. Plus and minus should be interchanged. I would repeat once again that in option A and B, why are we not talking about them? Because the moment you use a division here or here, actually they create a fraction and there is no other fraction. So chances of having an integer at the end when you are multiplying or adding some of the fractions, the chances are extremely less. So therefore, I am saying that my answer should be option C, that is plus and minus. That was question number 11. I'll move ahead. I'm sure it is clear to all of you. So here is question number 12 now on your screen. That's here. A question of Venn diagram. Sonal Mishra has got D20. Yashasvi has got D20. Zetitude got C, that is 18. Pranjul got D20. Ishan has got D20. Shilpa got D20. चलिए देखते हैं. In a class of 80 students, 20% can speak only Hindi and 75% can speak only English. Let us say this circle represents Hindi and this circle is representing English. 20% speak only Hindi, so 20% would come over here. 75% speak only English, so 75% would come over here. And the rest of the students, that is remaining 5%, they can speak both the languages. So rest of the student is 5% are here. How many students can speak Hindi? So the students speaking Hindi are all which are in this circle. That is 20 plus 5, 25%. Now 25% of what? 25% of the total, that is 80. 80 ka 25% is 20. So option D is the right answer, that 20 people can speak Hindi. And I see that everyone has given the right answer. Later on, Reena, Mohammad Sabit Hussain, Innocent, Venkata, Girish, Meera, Tanya, सभी ने सही आंसर दिया है. The correct answer for the question is 20. Okay. I'll move ahead now to question number 13. Question number 13 on your screen is here now. Question number 13 is here. Zetitude has got A as the answer. Innocent has got A, Yashasvi has got A, Shivangi got B, Tushar got A, Shilpa got A, Tanya got A, Ishan got A. सभी का आंसर A आ रहा है, सोनल got A, so looks like A is the right answer then. Karthik got A, Reena got A. तो देखते हैं जरा एक बार. Yes, A is the right answer. The day before yesterday was Monday. So present day, whatever it is. The day before yesterday, this was yesterday. The day before that, he says this day was Monday. So straight away I can say this day is Wednesday, right? Day before yesterday was Monday, so this day is Wednesday. Then what will be the fifth day after tomorrow? So this is tomorrow. ओके टुमारो वुड बी थर्सडे और थर्सडे के बाद फिफ्थ डे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे मंडे ट्यूसडे सो माय आंसर इज गोइंग टू बी ट्यूसडे दैट इज फर्स्ट डे सेकंड डे थर्ड डे फोर्थ डे फिफ्थ डे आफ्टर थर्सडे my answer is option A that is equal to Tuesday which is the correct answer and once again I see सभी ने सही आंसर दिया है without an exception सबने सही आंसर दिया है आगे बढ़ जाते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 is here now complete the given sequence. Any answer? I see no answers till now. Innocent has got D as the answer. No other answers. See, I'll give you a simple rule. When the numbers are increasing at a very high pace, right, there has to be something related to the cubes. So just try that once. Which is the closest cube of 9? It is 8. It is one more than that. The closest cube from 25 is 27. It is 8 more than that. This itself will give you an idea that 8 is equal to 2 cube and 1 is equal to 1 cube. 27 is 3 cube and 8 is equal to 2 cube. Just look at 91, right? There is a cube, near this that is 64 and it is exactly 64 plus 27. That means 4 cube plus 3 cube. That automatically means this has to be 5 cube plus 4 cube. मेरे ख्याल से check करने की जरूरत नहीं है. And therefore my answer has to be 6 cube plus 5 cube. 6 cube is 216, 5 cube is 125. 6 cube plus 5 cube 341. Option B should be the right answer for this question. 341 is the correct answer, right? I repeat, जब numbers बहुत speed से increase हो, when the gap between the numbers is increasing at a very high pace, that automatically means there is something related to the cubes. So just look at the cubes closer to them, right? And by that, you will get to know that which one is satisfying this series. I'm sure it is clear now. The first term was 1 cube plus 2 cube. The second term was 2 cube plus 3 cube. The third term was 3 cube plus 4 cube, then 4 cube plus 5 cube. So the last one has to be 5 cube plus 6 cube, which gives us the answer as 341. So Pranjul says got it, Sonal says got it. That's great. I'll move ahead now to the next question. Here's the next question on your screen now. Question number 50. Yashasvi has got the answer as A, the first answer. Shivangi has given the answer as A. Pranjul got A. Shilpa has got A. Tushar has got A. Ishan has got A. Ankita has got A. Innocent has got A. I think we can start doing it now. करना शुरू करते हैं. Tushar got A. चलिए जी. Rishi started from his school to reach his house via the market. First he moved 5 kilometers from his school to the west. तो यहाँ से 5 kilometers to the west is that he moved. Then he moved 7 kilometers north. So this is 7 kilometers north to reach the market. So he reached the market now. From there he turned to his left and moved 6 kilometers. यहाँ से he turned to his left and moved 6 kilometers. Finally he moved 8 kilometers to the north to reach his house. So this is 8 kilometers to reach his house. Question is determine the shortest distance from market to the house. तो market से house का distance मुझे चाहिए. So market से house is this. So I have 6 square plus 8 square, that is equal to 10 square using Pythagoras theorem. So straight away option A is the right answer. 10 kilometers is absolutely correct. Simple question. Once again everyone got it correct, right? There might be a mistake some people might have made. हो सकता है आप स्कूल से सीधा वहां तक का देख रहे हो, हाउस तक का, but question is asking from market to the house. तो market से house अगर देखो, so that is 10 only, right? ऊपर वाला ही Pythagoras theorem लगेगा. This brings us to the last question of the day, that is question number 16. Question number 16 is here on your screen now. This would be the last one for today. A question from blood relations. Tushar got the answer as D. Yashasvi has got D. Tushar Kataria, then Yashasvi, Ishan Chandravanshi, Ankita Pandey, Tanya Sharma. Ankita got A, others are getting D. Okay, Ankita also got D. Tushar Verma got D. Shilpa got D. Sonal got D. Sahil got D. Innocent. सबका D आ रहा है. Looks like D is the right answer. Yes. इफ m प्लस एन मीन्स दिस, m माइनस एन मीन्स दिस, ये अगर दे रखे हैं तो इसका मीनिंग आपसे पूछ रहा है व्हाट इज p इंटू क्यू। अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस p इंटू क्यू मीन्स p इज क्यूज सिस्टर, सो p इज द सिस्टर ऑफ q, तो मैंने माइनस साइन यूज कर लिया फॉर ए फीमेल। देन q प्लस आर यहां से यूज करते हैं, q इज आर्स फादर, सो q इज द फादर ऑफ r, सो q इज अ मेल, प्लस साइन मीन्स मेल। देन आर माइनस एस का मतलब आर इज एस इज मदर, आर जो है वो एस की मदर है, सो आर इज एस इज मदर, तो यहाँ फीमेल आ गया। क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इज पी रिलेटेड टू आर, सो व्हाट इज द रिलेशन बिटवीन देम, आर्स फादर्स sister is P. So ours basically you can say paternal aunt, right? बुआ जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. So ours paternal aunt, or option D, aunt is the right answer for this question. That's absolutely correct. I'm sure all of you understood this. That was the last question of the day. I am sure you like the class as well. Please do press the like button अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो class तो. Now, if you are preparing for CAT 2023, we have a comprehensive program for CAT 2023 where we give you 300 plus engaging videos, 135 plus live sessions, mock tests, practice questions. There are so many things for you that you will actually do not have to go anywhere else, because we do prepare you even for after the CAT exam, the GDPI VAT preparation. So we call it a comprehensive program. New batches keep on starting every month. So just join us if you are preparing for CAT 23. For that, you can also appear for this exam on 18th of February at 7 p.m., where you can get up to 90% scholarship on your fee here. Okay. Also, if you are, of course, you are preparing for TISSNET, therefore you are here in this session. We are having this last lab to TISSNET starting from 15th of February at 8 p.m. every day on the YT channel itself, right? In 8 days, we'll be covering everything that will be asked in TISSNET, right? So join us there, guys. And if you want to know how to get 99 percentile in CAT 2023, Srinivas sir will be there with you on the Valentine's Day at 7 p.m. to talk about it. Just register now for that on BYJU'S Exam Prep app. Also, if you are writing the Maharashtra MBA exam, we are having basically open mock from 11th February to 19th of February. These open mocks are very important for you. You must write these exams. We are also available on all these media handles, guys. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. We'll meet again in some other session with some other topic. Till now, that was all for today. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.